I mean, the options feel endless because they are endless. And I want you to imagine something. Imagine if you were to walk into a grocery store and all you had to do was buy some milk, and the entire grocery store is just all milk. There are 10,000 brands of milk. And some are displayed this way, and some are displayed that way, and some are cool, and some are shelf stable. What one do you choose? How do you know? I mean, it's all right there in front of your face, all these different options. And what ends up happening when you have 10,000 things to choose from? Oh, you just buy the one milk brand that you always buy. Because trying to make a decision when it seems like there's a million options is so overwhelming that your brain always defaults to what you know. And this isn't just sort of a common sense thing. There's really powerful research here that is going to validate why you feel paralyzed and lost and overwhelmed in your 20s. See, there was this very famous study about making decisions and what happens when you're offered too many choices. And this study was done by researchers at Columbia and Stanford. And they discovered this concept called the paradox of choice. And here's how the experiment went. In a grocery store, you know how they give you samples and they want you to try to buy something? Well, imagine, here's what the researchers did. They were going to give customers samples of jam, and then they were going to measure based on how many different samples the researchers gave the customers, how many people ended up buying jam. In one table, they had 6 jams. And when shoppers were presented with 6 jams that you could taste, 30% of the people bought a jar of jam. Now check this out.